Righty ho. Righty ho. Okay. Good morning, chat. Good morning, Zoom. Hope you're doing well. Let me first take off this. Need to change something. Right over here. Beautiful. Okay, so good morning, chat. Let me just move that. Where's the music? So, I will go through the trades I took yesterday as well for people that want to understand why I took them and stuff. But yeah, we'll get started. Good morning. So, in terms of news today, yeah, we don't have too much on until FOMC members speaking at like 2:15. So, hopefully today we should be actually not too bad. Yeah, it shouldn't be too bad at all. Which is good. Oh, look at EJ, man. That boils my blood. Yeah, we took a EJ sell yesterday. So I'll go through all that in a second, but we'll just go through, first of all, what we're looking at now. The reason why I joined late is because I didn't really see anything, and I'd rather have another half an hour in bed. I went to bed pretty late last night, so I think, why not? Bad day yesterday. Today is a new day. Why was yesterday a bad day? Were you trying to trade gold? Were you trying to trade gold yesterday? Morning, Christine. Morning. I think a lot of people had a bad day when they were trading gold. But look at that. Shock horror. Nothing has happened yet. So yeah, so far this month we're doing not too bad. 4.1%. We're getting to nearly kind of halfway point that I'd want, which is like 5% at least, which is great. 83% win rate. In terms of percentage gain, I kind of wanted more of these two moves yesterday, but man, they moved pretty slow. This EJ one was rather annoying. Yeah, the EJ one literally tapped me out by 1 pip and then ran to TP2. Some people held it in. Some people, for some reason, did not get a break even. And then they ran all the way down. But yeah, I'll go through that in a second. So, let's start off with GJ. So, still in the consolidation range. If you look at the daily time frame and you ask yourself, where are we heading? Well, I don't really know, right? The candle yesterday closed bearish, but did it close below anything or above anything? No. So, we are still in a consolidation range, right? Which is fine. You can still trade it because why? The range is pretty good. But we are on the daily time frame not doing really too much. We're just sitting in this zone, okay? In terms of the 4 hour, we'll take a look in a second. Let me just put the daily flip on. See if the 4 hour gives us any other clues. So, looking like not really, still kind of the same scenario. It's got a big resistance up here, got a big support down here. Right now, the 4 hour previous one closed bearish, but quite weak, so yeah, that's okay. That is okay. So there we go, 4 hour flip. So right now, the 4 hour and the daily are both bullish. Take a look at the hourly time frame, starting to see what price is looking like right now. You can start to see these candles, right? What do these candles show me? What do these candles show me? People in the chat or people in the Zoomy? What are these candles kind of showing me? Let's take a look. Yeah, there's some resistance there. Yeah. I'd say resistance, kind of bad price action, right? There's bullish, bearish. Small candles, bigger wicks than the bodies, so indecision. Exactly. Good lad, Ollie. Yeah. Indecision. So there's nothing much, no volume, right? So that's fine. That is fine. go to the lower time frames, 30 minute, 15, you start to look and you go, yeah, we're ranging pretty bad, right? We're ranging pretty bad. I see right now on the lower time frame, EJ's starting to push up. But there's nothing much going on, right? There's nothing much going on. So I got to go to myself, well, where would I really want to take trades? Where would I really like to take trades? So let's take a look then, right? Let's add our supports on and see if the zones below make any valid sense. So yeah, the support here, 157, 540. Would I take sells below there? Well, not really. The resistance right there, and then we're back into that zone. So I'll probably just move the line there. Would I want to take the sells below this level? Probably not. Right. So I don't really like the sells, to be honest with you. In terms of buys in the 30-minute time frame are looking maybe a little bit easier for me because yes, we have current resistance, which is here. Would I take buys above there? Probably not, right? Because we've got a little retrace in there, maybe 16 pips. Probably not. But what I'm eyeing up is I'm eyeing up this. Because if I can get a little piece of that move when we come back up to there, I'm gonna be a happy man. So, in terms of that regard, I'll probably move my resistance line to there and look on the lower time frame. Does that make sense? Yeah, it makes the right sense. There's a resistance there, support there, and then the 30 is quite clean. So I think that's quite good. I do like. So potentially maybe a buy above there. Is what I'd look for. Buys above 158,389. Okay, but apart from that, do I see anything in this area? Hell no, there's nothing there. I do not give a shit to taking a buy here to try and get to Asian highs. No, there's nothing there I like, right? Please, can you share your trading journal? Yes. Yeah, so far this year, it's getting a little bit back on track, which is good. Yeah, 21 wins, 9 losses, 70% win rate, 13.6% gain so far. So it's not bad. In terms of actually break evens as well, how many break evens do I have? Yeah, 5, and a lot of them did run quite well, which is a bit annoying. So yeah, that's my thing for GJ. I'm assuming EJ is going to be pretty similar to this. But yeah, I'll take a look at EJ as well. I'm going to go a little bit quicker with EJ because it's probably going to be the same scenario. Yeah. So looking like we're in a range on the daily, just like I said before. Four-hour time frame, just continuing up. Like that. The hourly time frame, yeah, small candles again, no real volume. So you could go max this clean candles like right above here. Could you take these buys? But for me here, it is too bearish for that. For this push, and it's also got a little bit of support resistance there. I think what I would want to wait for realistically is a little bit higher up above here. Yeah, that kind of level. Because now I can get a clean move all the way back up to there. Yeah, because like I mean here, it's if you look at the higher time frame, we are pretty bearish. Retracement and resistance falling is probably easier. It's kind of like what Don says about like range 2 breakouts and stuff like that. I feel I just want to have buys a little bit higher above. It hasn't really retraced that much yet, so probably retraces then rejects, and then you can get slaughtered with the buys if you're getting in the buys a bit too early in the day. So buys above, but as I said again, I'm just looking for the clean candles, and you can clearly see there. It's probably going to be above there to get a nice push up. Okay, simple. So let's go to gold. I'm not going to really do any more analysis apart from I'm going to just move the daily and the 4 hour because you can kind of see here there's nothing really going on. Daily time frame's coming up, but rejecting as usual before. The 4 hour time frame, yeah, this is choppy as hell. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing's changed. I'm leaving gold alone until we get above 1884 or below 1863. Okay? Will I take anything in this area here? No. nah, does not entertain me in the slightest. In the slightest, yeah. So kind of the same thing as again yesterday. What happened yesterday? Everyone and their grandma, especially in this chat, was going, "Oh, Max, can we have a look at gold, 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 gold?" I'm like, why the fuck are you guys looking at gold? There's nothing in gold. And a lot of people over here took so many trades in gold there. And then I was like, you know, guys, why are you looking at gold? Right? I look at GJ that day, and I look at EJ, and I've got huge zones. I've got a gap to fill there, and I've got clean candles below there. On EJ, same thing. I've got a gap to fill there, and I've got a clean zone all the way down. So I barely looked at gold yesterday. Right? Why? Because I know the zones to GJ and EJ are great. So I'll just go for the trades. You see over here that I put on the trades called, or trades taken. 3 wins, 1 break even. The reason why I put 1 extra win on is because I took the trade literally 15 minutes after the stream. And I wanted you to make sure that you know my London trades. It was all documented, all recorded for the group. But yeah, I took, let's take a look. This trade here. Where is it? Let's get it up. GJ sell stop 366. So yeah, we hit the EJ break even. Then we got a GJ sell stop at 9:30. Yeah, this candle closed below. It's got a gap to fill. And yeah, very, very simple. I got in at, what was the price at? 366. Yeah, break of that low. Stop loss is 17 pips to continue to fill this gap. Okay. Obviously at the point here there wasn't resistance there. And then we just pushed down, which was great. We closed there around about 12 pips when this candle, 50-minute candle closed. I should have taken more of the position off there at 22, but I was unfortunate at the gym at that time. So yeah, nice trade, easy stuff. Just look at the left hand side, clean. And then we took another trade. An EJ sell stop 131. So yeah, this is the one that I was a bit annoyed by, right? So 131, it was, yeah, this candle closing bearish below. Clean candles to the left hand side. I was very, very happy with this trade. So I took the trade here, break of this low there, stop loss above. I was like, right, 27 pips could be okay. But 15-minute time frame, I can reduce it. So I reduced it to only like I think it was only like a 17 pip stop at one point, yeah. Which is great. So then price comes down. We do kind of go quite slow. We went and hit 141. I was like, you know what, 141 is decent enough. I'm just gonna take my trade 80% off there. And then this little shit bag came and wicked me out with spreads by like 1 pip. And then went all the way down to TP2. TP2 was where? People in the YouTube chat, where would TP2 be? You guys, because obviously people in the Zoom would know where. People in the YouTube, where was my TP2? You guess where my TP2 was. And some people did hold actually. Daily Flip, no, Daily Flip wasn't there at the time. Just look at zones. Look at hopefully you can see the price to the left. To the right, sorry. Where is logically? 140.485. Yeah, right around them areas, yeah. That yellow line. 100%. Why? Because look, it's not on the daily, it has nothing to do with the daily flip at this point, because obviously that's the different day, but because the candle to the left hand side was clean, where could you have an area where we struggle at? This one here. So it was, yeah, it's 520. That was the next take profit, and it hit smash straight through it, which is nice. But yeah, and that was the end of the day, right? Was patient, just waited for them 2 trades. And yeah, after that I was pretty chill. Check gold. Yeah. Horrific. Horrific, horrific. Looks naff. I'm not touching it until it leaves the zone now. Damn, Max Goal looking hella doo-doo. Yeah. Oh, yes. Let's take a look here. 100%, 100%. Yeah. You know, the bigger the range is to the left, the more push you get and stuff. Yeah. Especially with gold. If gold has a clean zone, you get a big push. GJ and EJ can sometimes be not as aggressive with the push, but you still get your money, right? You still get your money. So yeah, EJ's been treating me nicely. Good stuff. Stop us smarters. How are you today? How can I send you my chart to review from last night? So go on the camera icon. Go to copy link to chart image if that's on TradingView. Paste it in a tab, and then just delete the tradingview.com bit and just send me this in the chat like this, like that. So yeah, people who did get screwed up on gold yesterday, just learn your valuable lesson. Whilst you were getting screwed up on gold, I was focusing on the clean zones to the left. Steve, I took a sell on EJ 130 close at 11 pips as the 4 hourly was closing. Yeah, literally exactly the same as me, Stevie. Yeah, tapped me out by literally a whisker and then ran to TP2. It was mad. It was mad. Literally 1 pip as well. I was like, man. 25 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream if you haven't already. Andrea, if you know is clean and trust the trade, why go break even so fast? I didn't go break even so fast yesterday. I held this one for a full 30 minutes until we got to 50% of the level. 50% is the cutoff for me. I've done it on the Sims. If you get into a profit by 50% of your stop loss, break even is normally the way to go. So I'm sticking to that. So for example, in this one, I got in there, stop loss was 17 pips, I think it was. So when I get to right around 8 or 9 pips in profit, I go break even. So that's what I did. So yeah. So yeah, in terms of trading, trades, the past like 15 trades or so. Yeah, past 15 trades, we've had 6, 7, 8. Yeah, we've had a lot of W's recently, which is great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 W's, 1 L, 2 break evens. Very nice. So yeah, I mean, the thing that I got to wait for now is just, these retracements in the JPY pairs is going to be necessary. It had a big move yesterday, right? Asian session looks like it didn't do too much. Did the Wiki take anything for Asian? Sorry for the mundane question. Can you explain the concept of the daily flip? I always notice it marked up. It's just so I can see where the daily is at the moment. So daily flip, I know price is above the daily flip right now, so the daily's bullish. Once we start coming below this level, I'm flipping the daily flip from bullish to bearish. Like that, no turbo, it hasn't came up, so you must have done it wrong. You need it just with the code, nothing to do with the HTTP, like the web address bit. Doom. So yeah, we'll see when we get a bit higher up. GJ. EJ coming. It's coming above Asian highs, yeah. I don't know, for me, if I look at the hourly time frame on EJ, a big push down at that, retracement, and then resistance to push back down again. I don't want to get caught in a buy when actually realistically it's still bearish. So yeah, just gonna wait a little longer here. I just gotta wait. I just gotta wait. Like what Phoenix is doing this morning. Oh gosh, I'm confused again. Does it look, Turbo, does it look exactly the same as what I just posted before? Dash X dash and then loads of numbers. That's what it should do. Maybe I missed an explanation, but isn't EJ clean for buys until next? Yeah, I mean it maybe, but I feel it's too bearish. I'd rather wait for the sells. I just feel like, yeah, it could maybe pop up to this level, but I think the overall bias is still bearish. So I'd rather wait until we break this resistance. Then we're like, it's a zone 2 breakout. Yeah, that's what I think. So for me, it's kind of like this, right? It's kind of like similar to how Don explains it. But if this is the current level, and this is the next one, and this is zone 1, this is zone 2. Yeah, zone 2 is clean, but in terms of the bias for me is still bearish in this area until we go through 3. What I can potentially do is maybe, which is what I'm trying to think of, is price to close in zone 1, sorry, close into zone 2, push a little bit, reject, close back in the zone, then I'm going to take the sells to fill the zone up. It's kind of the same thing with GJ here as well. Whatever that is, put it up there. So either I can wait for it to come up, reject, and continue back down, fill the zone. Maybe, we'll see. 4-hour EJ can reject and come bearish again. Let's take a look. Yeah, exactly. Oh, it's so annoying that I just pushed that whole area without me. Literally, fucking prick. Literally, when I go back on my chart as well, oh, it's even worse. Yeah, like look at that. Got in there. Took my profits there for like 12, 13 pips. Came back, whisker, and then launched. The positive part is that the analysis was right. Yeah, 100%. 100%, 100%. How do you choose if you're going to wait for either 1 hour or 30-minute confirmations? Depends on the support. If there's big hourly support, it's best to wait for an hourly closure, but normally it's just 30-minute closure that I really need. I only look for more higher time frame, like hourly or 4 hour. If I don't like the zone, I need more paintbrushes and more closures to tell me the story of what's going on. What's the story in Balamori? Wouldn't you like to know? So there we go. There is the first fuckwit of the day. Goldie come down. You probably took a sell there, impulsed it, and you just got clotted. Well done. You played yourself. Sells below 1860 point. 1860. Nah, this is alright for me. I think below there. I'm pretty happy with the closure below 1863. I think. So yeah, hopefully Goldie can get out of this zone. That would be nice. That'd be pretty nice for me today. Oh, look at that. That's when you know your resistances are good. I had this drawn on yesterday. And look at that. Just go and tap it instantly. What time is this at as well? Yeah, 6 o'clock. TP1 is 100 pips, TP2 is 150, but sticking to my guns, sticking to one currency, chasing too many countries made me blow my account. Learn my lesson the hard way. Exactly. Why do you think gold will push through that support, bro? What's the reason? Wait, what do you mean? I don't think it's gonna push through anything right now. But I know that if we get a closure above 1884, then we've got a good chance that we're gonna start to drive. Yeah? So it's always that thing. Raja always goes on about this as well, and it's so true. We don't know where price is gonna go. We're not, you know, Mystic Mikes over here. We don't know. We can't go into the future and know what's gonna happen. We can take a fair guess, but it's more for the fact of like stages, right? If we do this, then this will happen. So it's kind of like coding language. You know, coding language. If A does something, then A will do this. You know, it's kind of like a timeline. So in terms of Goldie, what I'm doing here is, if Goldie breaks 1879, it's probably going to come up to 1880. Would I want to take trades there? No, because left hand side stuff. If 1880 and 1881 start to break, we're probably going to get up to 1884. If 1884 closes and we break above, then we're going to get a nice trade. And we're probably, in terms of a closure above 1884, going to ride all the way up to 1909 in the next couple days or so. Why? Because this candle's left clean, and that's the retest. So it's kind of like painting that picture, not just guessing where things are going to go. Like, there's a lot of people in the chat who go, Max, gold's going to dump today, 200 pips. Why are you trying to guess where it's going to go? It's not going to be, not going to give you a fancy award. You're not going to get a medal for guessing where gold's going in this day. You need a plan to go, right, if X happens, then I'm going to take a gold and it's going to go to this point. Not just guessing at the start of the day, oh, gold looks really bearish today. I think it's going to go all the way down to 1852. What you should do is you go, right, if Goldie breaks 1877 and closes below, we're probably going to get it back to the daily flip. Then if you break below the daily flip, we're probably going to get to the low of this whole zone, which is like 1870. Then we're probably going to push to 1863. If you get below 1863, we've got a nice clean zone to push to 1852. You know what I mean? Like that's how you should kind of structure it. Okay, well that's the clip of the day. Very, very nice. Oh my god, I played that boxing match yesterday. Holy moly. It was a stressful game, man. But I beat his ass. So yeah, GJ resistance. What's it called? Undisputed. Undisputed. Why I got that caps, but anyway. Which cat? Yeah, I always use Fury because he's got such a big reach as well. Buying GJ with 7 pip stop loss. Oh, very nice. Yeah, I've used Muhammad Ali as well a couple of times. I wish I have Tyson on there, man. I want to use Tyson. May add him in a patch. Let's share some love. Let's see who else. Oh, that Dillian Dennis scamming thing is hilarious. Hilarious. Dr. Della was in the building. Let's take a look and see who else. Oh, let's take a look at Asian session. Let's see if we can see if she got anything over here.
The stream record is only from Asian? No, it's just from my streams.
Very, very nice. He got his money. Oh, you got break even.
If as soon as this candle re-breaks its own high, I'm gonna go break even. This candle re-break. This is. It's just really ugly here.
Yeah, nice. Break even, break even. Very, very well. So well done. Yeah, shout out to Wixie, man. Make sure to go follow him. He's doing really, really well. Asian session. He's such a vibe to be around, man. He's a funny dude. He's a funny dude. Let's take a look then at Phoenix. See if he's in anything today.
Right.
Oh, what's this? USD Tech. USD Tech. Very, very nice. Hey Max, scale of 1 to 10, how doo-doo is gold? Pretty doo-doo. It's pushing up now, actually. Goldie is pumping. Not too doo-doo. Yeah, still got 4 res beforehand. We'll see what we can get later on. We'll see what we can get. So nice strong 30-minute closure. Obviously for me it's still nowhere that I want to take a trade on, but it's good. It's looking like we're starting to maybe get the volume to get out of this shitty zone, so that's good. That is good. Bear flag on Goldie 4 hour. A bear flag. Ooh. A flag? Guys, make sure you like the stream. Oh, 224 people here, only 40 likes. Let's get them up. Let's get them up. So yeah, I mean, it was a bit unfortunate I couldn't do that trade yesterday on stream. Because I just finished streaming and I saw the 30 close. I was like, oh my god. It's close though. So yeah, I'm probably going to go get a coffee in a second. But yeah, we're going to wait until this Goldie starts pumping back, which is good. If you want to get into gold buys now, yeah, 60 pips stop, oh my god. Like added, very, very nice. If we don't right now get 150 likes, I'm going to leave the stream. Gonna do Raja blackmailing. Do 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 do. Raja style. If I don't get these likes now, I'm leaving. Oh yeah, I'll put in the link as well. I keep on forgetting to tell people. If you guys are getting magic keys, which you should definitely do, make sure you use my code there, SLM. Save yourself 10% off. %10 off. Are the magic keys really that handy, mate? I'm telling you right now. If you don't have magic keys, I don't know what you're doing. I'm telling you right now, I don't advertise things if they're not good. I'm telling you, I wouldn't do that. I'm not bad. It's just fast execution. You don't have to worry about closing. Like when I say close 80% or whatever, how are you guys doing it? You're literally sitting there. Like it's a beautiful tool. It only costs like 20 quid. 20-30 quid, like. You mind saying how much these streams pay? Absolutely sweet fuck all. Yeah, and half of them are copyrighted, to be fair. Like, I'll show you. Also, yeah, how are we getting? Yeah, 9,687. We need to get them more subscribers, man. I want to hit that 10k. That'd be cool. It's getting quite close now. So yeah, in terms of money, yeah, it's not a lot. I tell you that right now. Don't you worry, I do not live off this. I've made £12 so far this month. Last month I made 38. Yeah, the what's it called? The CPI is very, very slow, small. But back in the day, it was quite good. Like, if you look over here, if you go down, go further. Yeah, like there. £263, 163. It's just got lower and lower. We'll get back up there though. We'll get back up there. Otherwise, you have to struggle like me to try and figure out what lot size is, and like Max says, closing at 8%. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. You need to connect into MT5, right? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yes. Right, I'm gonna go quickly go say hi to Caitlin because I think she might be leaving soon. She gets to go work early today. She's grafting. 1 second. Oh, I'm back again. Sell gold now. Stop loss 1884. Ooh, TP 1874. Wow, that's a heavy stop. Bye, Felicia. See you later. So yeah, still nothing much yet. Nothing much yet. But that stop loss is still in the range. Yeah, it's at the res though, isn't it? Yeah. So yeah, we'll see. I mean, it's still early on until 7:38. Still got a lot of time. Yeah, we did another simulation session yesterday on GJ. I'll just show you the results. I haven't actually done the tally yet, but so yeah, in the group we do like 2 simulations every week. We're just going through every single month from last year, and then we're going to do next year after. So yeah, November. Oh yeah, I need to actually fill in gas, but I'm pretty sure it was like 1, 2, 3. It was like 4, 5, and then the rest were kind of break. So it's kind of like I think it's like 8 wins. 1 break, 1 loss, 2 break even. And in terms of trades taken, there wasn't too many after the 15th. Well, there was none after the 15th. So after the 15th on November, I didn't take 1 GJ trade because the zones were so shit. But I didn't care. I already took my beautiful trades beforehand. Some really nice closures, really nice gains. The only one that didn't work here, this minus 17, was the candle closures were very weak. Yeah, the candle, there's not much volume, so lost that one there. But the rest is all hunky dory. We're in a big 4-hour consolidation trade. It's looking dull tonight. Yeah. We'll see. Go on, GJ. Go on, GJ. Go on, GJ. Ooh. Yeah, I kind of want this. Where would I probably want my trades to be? What am I gonna think I could get today? I think GG may have today, and I actually think gold is gonna get above. To be honest with you, today. Yeah, I think that's already quite good rejection, good volume. I think we're gonna probably rate 1884 today. In terms of news tomorrow, we got it's monetary policy report hearings. But nothing too much, brother. Like for my, if this kind of reaches from high, there's high probably going up. Is he still in tech? US tech, US tech, US tech. It's not even loading up, man. Ooh, recommended movies. Interstellar. I still haven't watched that actually. Max, is it better to get the physical or virtual one? Virtual magic keys, please. I think you'll thank me. I don't think there's many people who will go, oh, I'm glad I played. Fucking 7 times the price for something that I have to charge now.
Sometimes the big blockbusters are even better.
Oh, that's such a shame they lost.
Let's hope that it's the case on a brisk night at Bramall Lane. The referee is allowing it to... An opportunity for Wrexham to... Leighton, the goalkeeper. Well, this would be a twist in the tail. 87 on the clock. Launched in towards that near post.
Fucking hell, what a throw. He was kind of. I swear he was.
87 on the clock.
Yeah, he was above that line there. I think. What a fucking throw though. Anyway. So yeah, looking like EJ starting to reject again. Goldie's starting to push. Go on, Goldie. Go on, Goldie. Push. So hopefully in the next 15 minutes or so, that'll be a nice closure above, and then there could be some good options. There could be some nice options. But right now, there's nothing too much. While we're waiting for this, we're going to do Wordle. Why not? Why not? See if we can keep this good win streak going. I think we've had it for quite a long time now. There's no E or there's no T. I'll just do this one anyway, see if we can get anything. Oh, very nice. Already. If GJ passes 158250 at least, we should be able to get 10 to 20 pips. No. I don't even know. I just know it's much cleaner above. Already rejected there before. Yeah, not too asked about that. So we can have what goes with this. Slack. Fuck. It's gonna be B, innit? Maybe I should do a YouTube series, The Worst Trainer Alive. Oh, Lord. Oh, Goldie, yes. Get your ass up, boy. Flamey, yeah, flamey. Oh. Fla. Try blank. Blank. There's no. This is green. If people don't get this game, it's definitely FLA. Flags. There's no S. F. No, there's no R. People in the chat, bro. Max, how much do you average a month for the past few years? It depends on each month. Sometimes it's 6%, sometimes it's 12, sometimes it's 37. It depends on the month. I'd say average around about 10%. There's no E. There's no E at the end. Look, the E is grey. There's no. If the E, if these numbers are grey here, you can't use them. They're not in the word. Max, you don't like gold buys if the hourly body closes above the London Open? Maybe. Maybe. I think above 1884 is probably where I'd want it though. But we'll see. Yeah, well, maybe. Just to see how it closes, how big stops are and stuff. Flabby. This is hard, man. Flair, there's no R. Ronnie. Look at the. Flagga. Flaggo. What is that weird? Oh my god, what the fuck was that? Flail, what the hell is that? Flail? It's a weapon. Ah, to whip. The Witchkin's weapon. Hi Max, what's your thoughts on trading just one session and one currency? Thanks. Yeah, it's great. It's great. Great. I you know, those questions asking me like, you know, what's your thoughts on trading one session, one currency? You don't need someone else to tell you, right? You don't need someone else to tell you. What you got to do is load up your backtesting software, load up the one currency, load up the time you want to take every day, and just go through it. See if it makes you any money. You don't need someone to say, yeah, that works, that doesn't work, because a lot of people, you can trade in so many different ways. So just focus on that. Don't focus about if stop loss matters is giving me validation that I can do that. It's like, well, obviously, just go and check. Hi Max, how do you close 0.1? EJ is not liking that res, boy. So yeah, we'll just wait until we get to the hero and Goldie, and we should be hunky dory. We're looking the most attractive if you can break above. Yeah, I agree. We're also breaking daily daily highs. Previous daily highs, that would be good. Yeah, looks good. It looks nice. Right, I'm gonna quickly go to the toilet. But yeah, looking like Goldie's probably gonna be the best example for a trade soon, which is great. just got the shivers. Oh, breaking 4-hour highs, 4-hour previous highs, which is interesting. Interessante. Excuse me. Should we wait to take a buy as buy stop the gold, or wait the candle to close above? Yeah, wait for candle to close above, and then we're gonna have a nice trade. Stop loss is gonna be there. Ooh, stops are gonna be quite large. We'll see. I mean, maybe on the 30-minute time frame. To be honest with you, I think the volume here, even if we close above there, I'm still kind of happy to take it in. Yeah, I don't think I need to be too picky for this, to be honest. To be honest with you. We have 15 res. Yeah, I'm not really too asked about that, especially how it's London Open. I think we'll be fine. I think we'll be hunky dory. Very, very nice. Yeah, I could use 15 stops, to be fair. That's probably what I'd do. So let's take a look to the left-hand side to see what else I could maybe run it to. Yeah, it's pretty damn clean, I'm not gonna lie. So we'll just see if we can get a nice push. Waiting for a bottom wick or straight? Yeah, probably wait for a bottom wick over here. Yeah, wait for a bottom wick. Sometimes London makes you a nice little bottom wick. $1,900 would be a great level to take positions off, to be fair, for runners. Good psychological level. Hopefully, yeah. Should we wait for some retracement? Nah, the zone's chill. I'd rather use 30-minute stops, but they're gonna be just too big, aren't they? They're 56 pips. We'll see. We'll see what we get given. Down, down. Yeah, some good volume coming in over here, eh? Even GJ's pushing Pete, pushing Pete, pushing Pete. No! My stops are so fucking huge. 47 pips, whatever. Hold your fucking horse. Oh, it's got no top wick. You know what, guys? I'm gonna get in now, I think. See if we can go get this retest. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get in. I'm trying to think of where to get in. I really want this 15 to push down here. Get the retest there. Go on, push down further. Right, it's coming towards that wick. Do you know what? I'm going to get in here now. I think I'm happy with these stops. Come down, come a little bit further down, and then I'm going to get in. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come a little bit further down. 1884. Then I can use previous 30-minute stops. Okay, beautiful. Right. Beautiful, right, so I've got in over here. Stop loss is going to be previous 30. Beautiful, beautiful work. So I got in here at the price of 1884, dead on. Yeah, I'm going for the retest. For me here, personally, I think we're going to at least get to that top wick. Stop loss is a little bit on the larger side. Could use previous 15 if I wanted. However, I kind of want to give it a little bit more room for that. How much should that save me? 36 pips is not bad. Yeah, I might leave it on the 15 stops. Yeah, I think that's alright. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Are you in? Yep. So targets, realistically, I kind of want to get back up to 1890. At least be up 20 pips by the candle flip. Yeah, exactly. What up, bro? What up, what up, what up? You doing well? No. Would you use 5-minute stops? No. Using previous 15 stops. Previous 15. You went in with small risk. I always do percentage risk. Oh, look at GJ. Rejected. No, I think there's enough volume. I'm not too asked about that. No. I'm not too bothered. So yeah, it's only 4 minutes in. You don't care that the trade doesn't have a top wick? No, don't care. The only reason I'm kind of wanting it is I just want it on the 30-minute, to be honest with you. 30-minute lows. Just to give me that extra room. Yeah, do you know what? I think I'm going to do that. How much difference would that be? But yeah, the signal was at 15, so we'll keep it here. TP1 1895. No, I'm gonna look for maybe 1890 potentially. Yeah, let me just change that. And if you do close back in the zone, then I've got to close you back in the zone as well, potentially. Which would be nice. No! Yeah, this is the only disadvantage of a retest entry. Sometimes it does something like this and doesn't wick back up and you're like, I just want to get to break even at the top. I took GJ buys at the break of the previous high, anticipating volume, but didn't play out. Did you not take GJ buys because it wasn't a closure above? Yeah, it didn't close above. Yeah, it did not close above, man. So, looking like the retest is not doing what I want it to do at the moment. It's pushed it a long way than I thought it would. Which is not good, but anyway, we'll see, we'll see. Yeah, retest entries, that's the only issue that I've had with them, really, is sometimes when they don't get back up to the high, then you're like, wow, can't really manage too much. Fucking hell, this goalie's rinsing. Rinsing by. Fake out on gold, maybe? Yeah, potentially. I'm still in it at the moment. Yeah, we're coming down over here. We're coming down. Yeah, we're down. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Look at that candle. Holy shit. Back into the zone, potentially, if this 30-minute closes back below. I mean, I still think the buys are going to happen, to be honest with you. We'll see. We have to wait later on over here. Yeah, stop here. So, retest entry was not the one over here. Price did not want to come back to the high. So, what I would have done there is price would have gone straight. If price went back to the flip, I would have gone break even. And then, yeah. So, in terms of later on, yeah, we've got to wait. I mean, in GJ, if I get a GJ closure above, I'm still good to take buys, potentially. But yeah, the goalie over here didn't want to continue. Potentially 30, fake out. And then Yens are bearish. Wait, what's this? On GJ look left, it hit that 4-hour candle. Yeah, in terms of the 30-minute time, it just didn't close above. Would you take sells in gold if this 30-minute closes back in the zone? Potentially, I don't know. I'm still looking at maybe re-entering. I'm not gonna lie. I think I might just go in maybe a little bit early here. How many pips was your stop? got in at 1884. Stop loss was there, so like 40. But it's 1.4% risk on any trade that I take, so it's percentage risk. What about the previous candle, no top wick? Yeah, I mean, that could be a sign. For me, it just had a shitload of volume. I was not asked with it. How much percentage did you lose? Yeah, 1.4. But I'm not gonna lie, I am still eyeing up re-entries. I'm not gonna lie. If we re-break these highs, probably just gonna go for it. Back up to 1890 would be great. Because even though we broke previous 15, the 30 minute is still on at the moment. So if this 30 minute closes bearish, and obviously it's a proper fake out, but with this hourly closing like that, I have a feeling we're gonna still continue. This is a better retest zone. The only one was just retesting top wick. This is retesting price. Yeah, potentially here. I'll be vexed if this 30 minute still holds. But it's still quite close to it, eh? How many pips would have been TP1? I would have closed like 1890. Yeah, so if I got in 1884, 1890, it would have been like 58 pips. Entering on the flip, yeah, potentially. Potentially. Looking for a short sell if you get a nice fake out. Yeah, the only thing is I'd want it below like the Asian level. I think this hourly is just retesting, man. I think yeah, in terms of maybe that retest, it wasn't really to the left hand side. I was thinking more the support over there, but anyway, we'll see. We'll see. If you enter on the flip, would you use current candle stop? Yeah. Stop loss is huge there, though. That's the only issue. So yeah, we'll wait a little longer over here. Still hasn't broken the low of the previous 30 minute. That's good. So we'll see. GJ's got a little bit longer. Maybe the next 30 minute candle to close above. And then I think it's going to be good. Didn't you have stops on the low of the 30? I wanted to move it halfway through, but I kind of sent a signal already. And because it's percentage risk, if I moved it there, then I'd be risking more. You know what I mean? You get me? Still in use 30 minute stops? Nice. Yeah, we'll see. Fake out your vice's current candle high. Stop loss. If taking out the weakest. And gold is the artist. Oh, GJ. Yeah, I think it's got maybe waiting for the next 30 minutes to close. I think it's going to be the one. I think so. So just making the lower wick now. Yeah, I mean, in terms of retest, I'm not going to lie. Even with actually Sims, you don't really take them that much anymore. So I may just sack them off, to be honest. Because sometimes it does that, and it's like the trade's still valid. It's just you're getting in and when the price is pushing the opposite way. So I think I may just sack them off. Wait for the flip. Because if this rips now, you can have a nice little push, which will be good. The only issue you have is that the stops are fucking huge. So what you're going to maybe do here is look at maybe the 5 minute time frame to get a closure back above. That's what you could do, so we'll see. But if it does break that 30 minute low, then yeah, it's not going to go too well. Not going to go too well. So this is closing in 36 seconds. In terms of fake out, what would I want? Well, yeah, I mean, if it closes probably back below 1880.86, And then it makes a nice top wick, then flips, and yeah, I'd take that sell. I'd wait for the 30 to close though, obviously. What the hell is that? Why are you looking for? 157, 960. What trade is that? Okay, so 50-minute candle closed. Closed, still bullish above, which is fine. 5-minute made a little bit of support there, interesting. So, yeah, possible celery on that candle. Oh, just the stop. You could use current candle lows. So if it started running off right now, then it'd be 50 pip stop. Yeah, we'll see. We shall see. And yeah, GJ didn't close. Close 15 bearish. Could be maybe a celery play there if you wanted it, but I'll probably wait for that closure. The full closure. Down. So let's take a look at the fives. Yeah, they're coming up. It's close. Should be respecting this. Should go back up. Yeah. Yes, indeed. Gold celery, big stops. Yeah, big stops, but the zone's big too. You gotta remember that. You have to remember that. You putting stops on current candle low? Yeah. Yeah, stops on current candle low. So 900, 1900's there. Yeah, 137 pips. That would be nice. So 1886. Let's look how the 5 minutes is still doing. Yeah, it's still holding that level, which is good. Just want to see this push a little bit more, and then yeah, I'm gonna have my buy stop on that high. Yeah, that's a good thing with percentage risk, right? Because even here, like, this is the same as me losing a 10 pip trade if my stop was 10 or 12. It doesn't matter. It's just percentage risk, which makes life much easier. Actually, I haven't updated trades taken. I will do in a second. I'm just still focusing on this, to be honest. There we go. What's your current TP level? We'll see how it pushes, but I may want to hold this maybe a little bit longer to 1900. We'll see. I think if we do reject this zone, we're going to get quite a nice drive here. Okay, I've got my buy stop on. Would the 30 still be in? Yeah, the 30 would still be in, which kind of sucks, but That's all good. That's the only issue with retests. I think I may sack the retest off. Because actually, going through the sims, have we taken any retests? We haven't really. So I don't think I'm missing much. Still in 30-minute stop loss. Very, very nice. Yeah. The only issue is still is if this reflips, then yeah, you're fucked. You are fucked. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see how big this pushes. 820, so it's good volume. Personally, I'll wait for the celery on the 30. Your stop loss, bro. Current candle low. Yeah. Oh, I wish I used 50 at 30 stops, man. Hey ho. Moving like it's an Asian? Nah, I think, mate, the volume is here, bro. I know. 15 stops though, you know, it's 30. I wish I just used 30 really because it's still that was huge. To be fair, the retest 1884. It's all good. I held it maxi. Nice. Yeah, I think a lot of people use 30 stops. I wish I did. I think that's just a huge retest of the 100%. I just didn't think it was going to push that far into the zone, to be honest. But beautiful retest on actual bodies. Yeah, I think I maybe just got the retest a bit too early, but that's fine. That's all good. That's all good. Six minutes left. Yeah, if you don't break this high, it's fine. It'll still be a celery play on the 30. And that'll be even better, because if this 30-minute closes and we don't hit that high yet, then I can use current candle low, which will be sometimes even here. So I'll get a nice tight stop. So I kind of want that more. Yeah, exactly. So what I mean by this, guys, is that if this candle closes like this next candle makes a little wick and then flips, my stop loss will be there now, not even there, which would be even tighter, therefore I can get a bigger push. So I kind of want that, to be honest. Sell stop on the 15-minute candle. Oh, for fake out down here. Shall I wait for the 30 to close? I think, well, nah, I'm gonna get in as much as I want. I want to get in here. I'd rather be in it than miss it here, to be honest. I need magic keys. That's so good, 100%. Because there will be people there who've just lost like 40 pips with a big lot and like, oh, I've just lost all my money. Yeah, because you do not do percentage risk, bro. How do you buy stocks? Makes sense, yeah. Do prof firms let you use magic keys? I think so. I think so. If you were holding the retest, guys, or the area that I got, I'd close the break even here and just wait until you get the break that high. Because if this retraces and closes below, your fucking buys ain't gonna work. So I would close here now, break even, wait until you get the break that high. Because in the next 4 minutes, if this candle closes very, very weak and then breaks the low of it, it's gonna drive back into the zone. Where the clean candles, well, they're there, so I'd actually be looking for sells there as well. Still in the retest, yeah, this one down here. Oh, I should have got the retest there, fuck. Yeah, I just got in too early with this retest. It didn't really retest anything apart from the wicks. So that's a little boo-boo from me. Yeah, GJ is not wanting that smoke. EJ is the same thing. They're not wanting the smoke today. They're not wanting it. So 2 minutes left for this closure. I really want this to close. That would be great. Because my stop will be reduced significantly. I can get a good percentage out of it. So it's only just been 30 minutes after London Open, so we've got a lot of time left. Work with the next one, should be good for those still in. Yeah, we'll see. How the 5 minutes looking? Yeah, we're just hovering. It's actually a little bit more than this signal. Actually, let me just take a look at where it is. I want to break in, so yeah, like 4-3. Let's see. My buy stop's 1886.43. So hopefully this next candle can make a nice little lower wick and then break, and then I'm going to use that stop, and then that'll be beautiful. Oh, this 15, no. Looking like the 30 ain't going to close below though. The minute resistance and GJ not breaking yet. Oh, it's not going to make much of a difference with the stops anyway now. So big rejection on the 5. We'll see. So next candle closed. The 30-minute time frame did not close below, so it's not really a fake out yet. Maybe the next 30 closure would be nice. 50-minute candles closed bullish. Celery play you could potentially, but I still want to kind of wait for these buys over here, I think. If I want to take sells, I'll wait until this next 30 closes below. Or maybe 15, but probably 30. Did GJ close? No, GJ did not close. Closed right on Asian high. EJ still looks garbage. So right now Goldie's pushing down a little bit. The 15 still got no top wick. Break even hits. Did you take some positions off? Oh, you definitely should have there. Somewhere in that vicinity. So yeah, let's just think maybe the next 15 closes back below. That'll be interesting. The zone below though to there, 1875, it's still quite a big zone, which is nice. Which is decent. So yeah, we'll just wait on a little bit over here. Gonna wait for maybe some more candles to close now to give us a good one. I'm just gonna still leave my buy stop on here because I still think if it breaks that high, we're gonna get a good push. It'll be a celery play, but if it breaks that low, then I'll probably delete it. So yeah, I mean we've got two options really here with gold. We've got if this really does hold and we start pushing, then we've got a drive to 1900, or if this candle closes bearish again below resistance, then we'll fill this zone. So gold's the one I'm locking in at the moment. At the moment. Looking like it's still kind of holding that level, which is nice at the moment anyway. So yeah. I'm liking the 15 flip. I don't know. I think that's way too early. LeBron James. So yeah, still not much of a top wicket yet. Last two times gold closed above previous resistance on this range, it would fake out and went back below. This could be the third time. Ooh, maybe. If so, we're gonna probably take it, eh? We're gonna take it. Can we check EU? Euro USD. Too much noise for GJ for me? Yeah, kind of the same. I don't know, looks like good. Euro USD. Yeah, I mean, this looks like news came out. Buys probably above 1.07980 to continue back up to there. Pretty much it. This would be nice and clean if this wasn't there. Kind of did that. Yeah, that's probably the only zone that I like there. Good opportunity to break 650. But then the zone above is pretty tight, right? if you get a closure above 600 there, you've only got that zone. It's only 10 pips. It's quite a small zone. Quite a small zone. Yeah. So salary play is happening right now. If I had a bit more confidence with it, then I probably would have taken that if it closed below, but it hasn't. It's still at that level. It still could reject at that point. So I'd rather wait for some more candles to close here, and then we should be good. We should be good. Hey Max, if the gold 1 hour closes below, idea for the gold sells to correct the push. Yep. Yep. If the hourly closes below, yeah, I'd be looking to take that bitch back down. Yes, sir. But yeah, for me here, I'm just waiting patiently for this 50-minute to maybe close, just to see if we do respect this level. Because 30-minute didn't close below, 50-minute didn't close below, so we haven't actually closed below resistance yet. It's still respecting it. So yeah. So yeah, bye. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, make sure to like the stream. We'll see what we can get very shortly. Going to be an interesting one. Where would targets be for the sells? It would be to fill this zone, yeah. So 1875 would be a nice target, and then runners could potentially continue back down to 1863. So yeah, we'll have to update that. But in terms of recently, yeah, 2 L's and like 15 wins. So it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Not bad at all. 2 L's and like 3 break evens as well. 3 break evens. What if the 50-minute doesn't close below the next one, breaks 50-minute high? Would you take a buy? No. I only take a buy if we break these highs. So we'll see if I can make things reasonable for me. Right now, those stops are pretty fucking wham, aren't they? Yeah. We'll see. "20 minutes left of this hourly. Still got a lot of time. Max, I know. My indicator, Asian range, Nico 948. Moving stops below current 30 low, yeah. Yep. $948. Yeah. Asian is equal 948. Okay, we flipped. The 15 looking like it's still holding support, which is nice. Yes, sir. For me, though, I'm not getting in early. You know, I want to wait. But it's good that it's still respecting 1880.7. We've got 6 minutes left for this next 15 as well. What happened to the small stop losses? Bro, it's percentage risk now, my man. Percentage risk. Changing from percentage risk and bigger stops has changed dramatically the trades. 100%. Looking good. I entered on the flip. Nice. Yeah, I mean, you could get maybe the break of the previous 15-minute high there. Stop loss would be 45 pips, but it's not going to give you that drive. We'll see. We'll see the score. If this 15-minute closes, makes a lower wick, then breaks the high, then I might just use 15 current stops. We'll see. I'm just trying to get nicer stops. But it's pretty damn hard. If this does start to retrace though and close below, I'm definitely taking sells, just to tell you that. To give you some fair warning. Some fair warning. Percentage risk to get 40 pips is cooked. Wait, what? What the fuck are you on about, brother? My TP was 50 pips, my stop was like 45. It's 1-to-1. 1915 incoming. We'll see, we'll see. We will see. GJ wants to fly. Does it? Hasn't closed yet. Still at that res. We'll see, we'll see. How else could I really get the stop tighter? I'm thinking you could maybe use the body of the candle there instead of the wicks. It's hard, man. Minute's closing for the 15-minute time frame. Max, I've set my TP 89 because there's some traffic I see on the left. Oh, very nice. 89, good psychological level as well. Yeah, GJ is struggling to break that res, eh? I can't wait for the 1 hour celery to get smaller stops. Yeah, that would be nice, eh? That would be hella good. So yeah, you gotta wait a little bit longer here. See how these candles close. If we do reject the year though and close below 1881, oh my god! Could question. Since you've been training for years, what emotions do you have when you see numbers on the screen? None. I just take the same trades. To be fair, this one here, the reason why maybe I'm a little bit vexed is because the retest entry for me, I haven't really been doing much backtesting on recently, so it's kind of like, it's a bit of a shame. But it's all hunky-dory. It's all hunky-dory. But yeah, in terms of when I'm in drawdown or anything, I don't give a shit. I'm not asked at all in the slightest. Many folks know how to manage there, but it was kind of hard with this one when it just fucking nudged straight down. Current candle 15 stops. Yeah, that's probably what I would do right now, which is going to be like the 30 body as well. So yeah, we got 50 minutes or so left for the hourly to close. The hourly. And we'll see what we can get there. I want the fake out sells. Yeah. I'm actually not asked either way, to be honest. I think they're both going to be pretty good. Whichever one it chooses. Whichever way. Wicks getting larger on the 15 and smaller bodies. Yep. These 5-minute candles are still huge. Clear buys on gold. Yes, if you get there. Yeah, maybe that, you know, the candle having a top wick, that's maybe waiting for no retest then and getting in. Yeah, I just got in too early, man. Good cells in the eye, tracing and stop that the seller stop loss on the 30 minute is good. Yes, to be honest with you though, a lot of the stop losses that I use on the 15s are actually also good as well, but yeah, just some examples, obviously. So yeah. It's really good that we're still respecting this whole level though. We literally haven't came below it. We really should have. 11 minutes left though for this candle. This is going to be the deciding candle really. If this candle closes bullish above, then it's going to be good for the celery play for the hourly time frame. Or if it closes bearish below, you're going to get some fake out sells, it looks like. EJ if it closes below, I see what you mean. 15, clean push there, but I don't know. I think the zone's quite small in terms of that. And actually, realistically, the resistance is right there. It hasn't closed yet, so you have to see. So if this Goldie breaks these kind of levels here, I'm going to delete my buy stop and start looking for these sells. Yeah. So 10 minutes left. 10 minutes. Such a big drive before 8 o'clock and then kind of just sat there really. But yeah, in terms of retest entries, it was probably there 1880, 1884, which is way too early. Way too early. So yeah, in terms of selling TPs, as I said, this whole zone is gonna be nice, man. To maybe set it bearish again, be interesting. To continue down, fill this zone. So the volume's just slowing off a little bit over here. It's all good. Late Max, I'm done for the night. See you later, my man. See you later, brother. Back up, ended up with a small loss. Nice, Stevie. Nice, nice, nice. Took the 5-minute back up. Very, very tasty. Yeah, you see that thing I put on Instagram? That's fucking hilarious. When you get the new Harry Potter game, where is it? Where is it? Wait. Yeah, this one.
Anything off the trolley, dears?
10 minutes into playing the new Harry Potter game. Fucking anything off the trolley.
Anything off the trolley,
There's so
dears?
many memes. There's literally been so many memes of it on TikTok. It's been great. It's been fucking hilarious. Anything off the trolley? Avada Kedavra. It's made my day, thank you, thanks. Oh mate, there's so many of them. What the fuck is going on with Gold? Yeah, it's just hit pause, man. It's got to go get a coffee. It's got to go get a coffee and refuel. If it doesn't close below or breaks the lows of the new next candle, are you selling? No, I need a closure. Because the one thing you don't want to do is take an L and then take another L when you didn't stick to your rules. My rules is that it needs to close back below. If it doesn't close back below, then what the fuck am I doing trading? Can't stick to my own rules. Hell no. Never ever ever do that. Never like go, oh, but well, maybe if it doesn't close and it breaks the low, then maybe you can do it. But you're not sticking with the whole thing of it. Even if it does work out, you're not sticking with your plan. And if you're not sticking with that time, then how are you going to stick with taking only 2 trades a day or sticking with managing only 1%? You're not, are you? You're gonna just not stick with a discipline. 100%. So at the moment, it's just kind of sitting around. See something. Yeah, I always advise that, man, because if you don't have any discipline, then What's to say you already just been doing other things, you know? I think it's gym time. Oh, the gymnasium. Nah, I'm still gonna wait until 9:30 if they don't get closure here, because 9:30 could have a good move as well. When this starts to move, you'll get a nice trade out of it. So, just gonna be patient. I'll get rid of this now because it is a trade zone now. If I get closure back in the zone. Three minutes left. Fucking hell, there's loads of like people who've just been buying the PS5 just to pay like the fucking Harry Potter game. It's getting like loads of lasses to play as well. It's a good move. He looks decent to sell below. Yeah, if I just draw the zones out, it's alright. I suppose. Close you back in the zone. But look at the hourly's lower. So, it's a bit wrong. Yes! So hopefully this closes like this. Next candle opens, makes a low wick, flips, breaks the high. My stop loss is going to be there instead of there now, and then I'll get a much nicer trade. Or sell in the 1 hour. That's exactly what it is. Yeah. Yes, sir. Using 15 stops then? I'll use current candle low. Whatever that shall be. I think. Maybe you could use 15. We'll see, we'll see. Nice, make that lower wick already, pussy. Should have just told people in the group what I'm doing. So the next hourly needs to make a lower wick, which is great. So now if this candle here reflips, breaks the high, then this is my stop. If we reject again and we get the 30-minute closure below at 9:30, then I'm going to take the sells again. So it's kind of the same scenario, right? What if it taps highs and goes back down again? Well, then I've lost a trade. If it taps highs, I've got my buy stop above, so it shouldn't do that. Yeah, see, EJ just closed there. I mean, it closed below on current 30, kind of 15 did as well. But if you look at the hourly, you just see, nah, it's not the best. It's not the best. No wicks on these hourlies. This is such a piss off. I know, man. That's all I needed. But for me, the retest entry, I got in too early, man. Which I did do a couple of times last year as well. So I might just sack off the retest entry, to be honest. Just wait for the flips. Easier, less painful. Entry on the current 30-minute. No, I want to get the break of the high. Break of the high is going to be the only way I want to get in here. How many times has it came up here and rejected? So I want the break of the high, and then I'll get a drive. So yeah, for the gold sells, it'd be if the 30-minute then closes back below. Like that. So there's the lower wick of the hourly. Hopefully that could be my stop, because that would mean the stop loss would be 39 pips. So that would be really, really good for the drive. Get my 1-to-1. Hopefully maybe a little bit more. Actually, EJ sells, what do you think? I've just explained them. I don't like them at all. Zone below shit. Look at the hourly time frame. Gold so hard, one day blasts off straight away, next day it does a 60-pip retest. Nah, for me it's I just got in the wrong retest, man. I should have waited maybe a little bit lower. I think gold's very, very easy to trade if you're completely on the ball. Here we go. There's some volume coming in, which is good. So yeah, it's been a patient waiting game over here for Goldie. So yeah, in terms of the hourly closed above resistance. 30-minute also closed above, making some support, which is good. Down, 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 down. Yeah, for me here, when you look at EJ, it's just not a nice zone in the hourly. It's nasty. Do you have still buy stops? Do you still have buy stops? Come on, Goldie. Everyone's vouching for Goldie. Go on, Goldie. Would you close 80% the red line? We'll see how it pushes. Yeah, we'll see. It is at 80-90 and it's a 1-to-1, so potentially, yeah. How many pips you risking on the buy stop? Pips? Don't know why you care about the pips, but around about 37 it looks like. Let's take a look. Yeah, 38. The perfect scenario will be that if it breaks in the 230-minute candle, right? Wait, what? Wait, what? So EJ filled the zone, but for me, it's not a good one. Are you holding buy stops all the time until it closes above 81? We'll see. I mean, if it gets to like 9:45, 10 o'clock, and we still are fucking around, then I'll probably just leave it for the gap. So we have 18 minutes left for this 30 to close as well. We'll see. We'll see the score. We'll see. Oh shit. Avalanche, what the fuck? I mean, if we stay below for the first 30 minutes, then our bottom wick could be pushed upside. Nah, I like this. I like this setup. The hourly salary is beautiful. Especially how the 30's making some support. Everything's with us. 4 hours driving, so I like this a lot. This exact setup, like the hourly salary, is good. So I like using the stop there. Oh. A lot of waiting. A lot of waiting. Runner would be 30 pips would be nice. Even potentially 19 or 10 as well would be 1910 would be nice. Anyone taking the GU salary? Left hand side's alright. I wouldn't say it was amazing. Mm. 1K on gold buy is very nice. Gold too close. Another 10 pips to push first for me to get in. What's your buy stop on IC? 1886.43. So the 50-minute closed, strongly bullish. Very nice. What we like to hear. Is TP 1890? We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I want to see how this drives, to be honest. But yeah, you know, if it's kind of slow, then yeah, 1890 would be nice. Oh God, if I have to ask, my stop loss would be here, 1882.4. Right? Yeah, would be stop loss. $18.95? Well, yeah, and then obviously it's quite close to 1900 there as well, so we'll see, we'll see. What's up with this volume? I don't know, I think it's alright. It's getting there, it's getting there. About to be in. Are we about to have liftoff? Yep, we'll see, we'll see. We shall see. No, that's good, that's good, that's good. I like it. Always share them. Imagine the gold goes all the way down for a fake out. That'd be pretty mad. Lately, volume been at 9 AM? Yeah, exactly. Normally good volume, 9:30 as well. Oh god, TikTok's fucking beautiful. What the fuck is that? Oh god. Soldiers in gold 3-minute flip to make it lower wick first. Flip, just need to break the highs now. Yeah. Lovely, lovely Nadal. Nice. Good stuff. Yeah, GJ's not really doing too much, eh? GJ having none of it. Fibs don't lie, yeah. An impulse set for ready, let's see if he takes his buy trade. Look at the higher time frame. So we're breaking daily high, 4 hour high, hourly highs, 30-minute highs, 50-minute highs. So it's all on our side. Yeah. Just chilling at the moment. We are going to the moon. Maybe not. Maybe not. We may be not going to moon. 7 minutes left. If this candle closes bearish below, you may be going to bedrock. Rejection bank? I have no idea, man. No idea. Volume been dead for gold all week, really? Yeah, maybe. It's a good push there, though. That was not dead. That nice little drive up. So we shall see. 5 minutes after this daily to close. Doesn't really change much with us, really. Anyway, you can still hourly salary play. Damn. So closing in 4 minutes time. Yeah, probably wait until 9:45, and then when it comes to 10, I'm like, I'll probably just leave it. You going to Wembley for the cup final? No, unfortunately, I didn't get tickets. Did not get the tickets, and also I'm away. To be fair. No tickets for moi. Max, after pay to join the mentorship on Telegram, I'll automatically join the group, or how does it work? The bot sends you an email with all of the links to join, yeah. Then you get the link to the normal chat, and then you go to the pinned message there, and then you get links to everything else, and you get added to the G Drive straight away, yeah. Break even. Ooh. Very nice. Would you rather take the cup or finish 4th? Oof. Personally, I would love to see Newcastle in the Champions League. That'd be well fun. But I think with other Newcastle fans, I'd rather have a trophy, you know. Oh my god. Max, last time I wrote you Newcastle were 18th. Oh my god. Times have changed. I wonder what's going to happen to City, man. They're going to get pretty done over here. Gold buys now. Right now? Will you be holding the buy stop through the gap? No. If this doesn't happen, if this doesn't happen, we finish at 10, then I'll leave it. But I think in the next 30 minutes we're gonna get it. And the more it's messing around right at the top there, I'd rather that, because when it breaks, it'll just push. You check GU. Yeah, it's done nothing. Sweet fuck all. They're about to hit relegate Man City. They're about to get relegated? Yeah. Maybe. Do they consider taking points away from City for past seasons as well? I don't know. I don't know. I see Linz is already in the buy. What? Is she streaming? I think if they start doing that and going from past seasons, it's going to just cause so much issues. So many issues. So 30 minutes closed, goes bullish. If it starts maybe breaking them lows, we'll have to see. If Flint is buying, we're gonna get a fake. Oh my god, guys. Imagine the Aguero moment not winning the title. Yeah, that's mad if he does that. Imagine. Do, 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 do. 10 pips on the fake out. Very nice. Very nice, my boy. So yeah, it's just a waiting game here. We'll see this next 15 minute how it closes. If it does close below 1881, I'll probably will take the sells on that 15, just because of the rejection, the way it hasn't pushed. I think it should continue back in that zone. Patience, patience, yeah. Patience, patience. Max, how much are you up this month? Not too much yet. If I took that one off, so I'll be like 3%, like 2.9, 2.8%. Yeah. Yeah, and I was a bit lucky in terms of that EJ trade yesterday, which would be such a nice trade, man. Most when it starts to low gas with buying side, it's just buying, building liquidity. Yeah, exactly. When it pops, it'll pop, boy. That's why I like it. I kind of like how it's just sitting around here, because when it starts to push, you'll see it drive. What the lower time frame's doing? 30's just making the lower wick, it looks like. GJ buys and NY will be Gucci. Yeah, potentially. I agree. Nice. Sounds good. That sounds good. Max, I'm minus 5% on phase 1. What is your advice for passing it? You should already know the advice of passing the challenge. You stick to your rules. Do your rules work? What, are you down normally minus 5% in your trading strategy, or are you changing it? Because normally, before you go into a funded account, you normally make sure that you don't go minus 5% on any month that you've ever done. But in terms of now, I'd say just reduce your lot size. Is it timed actually? That's the only issue as well. Timed. Fill margin today. Full margin. Do you think this celery is risky before this 4 hours closing? Nah, it's closing about. I'm not asked really too much about that. It's been messing around here long enough. I normally don't really pay attention to 4 hour closures, to be honest with you, anymore. Just looking at the charts. Looking at the hourly, the 30. Actually, I'll post that Instagram while I'm here. Why not? While I'm waiting for this to get its ass up. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Oh, Roger took the support form in, I think. Yeah, nice. Roger took this trade here on the 30. Back to the high. So yeah, 90 minutes left. Still gonna give it a little bit more opportunity, but yeah. Sell stop 1883. Ooh. Break of the current lows and that support like there. Interesting. Was it gold calm down after the 7 a.m. push? Yeah, just kind of. Sure did. It's still above this area though, so I'm still liking it for maybe later on. Where did you see Roger taking it? On Instagram. Yeah, so if I must stop us below that previous 30, it'd been fine. But realistically, the retest maybe was a little bit impulsive there. But that's okay. Can't be perfect all the time. It's 30 minutes, not doing too much. Hey Max, any bets that you call it a sesh goal is gonna push like a mofo? Yeah, I did a bit of bowling last night. Nice little W there as well. Wasn't too bad. So competitive though, literally down to the last ball. To be fair though, we all kind of played pretty shit in that game though, not gonna lie. Could have done much better. Actually, yeah, let me post that Instagram. On the trades from yesterday. Bowling is haram. What are you doing? Bowling is not haram. Bowling is bloody great, man. I play that shit once a week. It's well fun. Whip a bong on stream. We Sports bowling undefeated. Oh my god, yeah. We Sports boxing bowling was fucking well good. And the boxing was good. All of them were good, to be fair. What a game. I like tennis on there as well. Tennis was sick. Can I get the template? Yeah. Just make your own. Just like go in the files and go make my own. Do you play cricket? No, not at all. It's just for me, I've got ADHD, man. Cricket is the most boring sport. Sitting on a fucking field for like hours straight, waiting for a ball to catch it once. Like, oh my god. Shite. Couldn't think of anything worse than playing cricket. It goes on for like days as well. You're like, oh my god. Funny how Don comes back tomorrow. Yeah, that's mad. Is he not streaming today? I swear he's coming back today. No. I do not get frustrated. Because at the end of the month, when I take my beautiful pounds back to the bank, I'm feeling good. If you're getting vexed about sitting on the charts, taking a losing trade, then yeah, trading is definitely not for you. Trading is definitely not for you. You gotta be comfortable with that. Activate soon or waiting for the... Nah, I'm still holding this. Yeah, if you guys don't want to take it, don't take it. So, in terms of the closure now, I think for me here, yeah, I'm probably just going to wait until this next candle closes. Then can make a little wick and then we can drive. It is getting close to this hourly closure now, so I'm just going to wait a little longer. The reason is because also I could get just a closure above here, and then that'll be Bob's your uncle, right? Did he buy stuff? Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. 10 minutes time. So yeah, just wait a little bit longer here. Yeah, they're still doing fuck all. Sweet fuck all. EJ, yeah, it's nothing for me. Nothing that I want to see. So yeah, I need some volume to start to kick in here. I'm just gonna leave it the next 7 minutes or so. And why I think would be our trade? Potentially, yeah, maybe. Potentially. This must be the longest live stream today. Nah, well I started a bit later, didn't I? Started a little bit later. Oh shit, there's that once. Upload, there we go. Trash gold after London Open. Yeah, it's been pretty slow, eh? Hasn't really done too much. Ah man, I wish I had my 30 top on. Fuck. But realistically, retest was much lower. Yeah. What a retracement. If you leave, the volume's gonna come, then you're gonna start the stream again. That's why I'm just waiting a little bit longer here. But if this doesn't really close above, then it's probably just gonna leave it. 5 minutes left. Because with the celery, you do want the volume to drive it, and if it's not there, then it's... yeah. A little bit on the harder side. Was there a trend line this morning? Didn't go retest, that sucks. It's a bit annoying. Nice trend line for later on if you get closure there. 3 touches. Call him actually on trade after 10. Yeah, but if we get a strong closure here, then I'll still take it, I think. But I doubt we are. What I mean by strong closure is a closure above 1886.2 through 03. So yeah, it's probably not going to happen. Quick special on the hourly. Where's your volume going, Goldie? Come on. 3 minutes left. This motherfucker about to rip. Yeah. Hopefully. Oh my god, we're gonna get it. Finally. Push. Should trading with buy stop? Yeah, I'm just waiting for this. No, I do not have the buy stop on. I'm waiting for this closure. Yeah, I'm waiting for this closure. You can enter on the close. We'll see. I kind of want a lower wick first, but yeah, then after. Holy! It was so close. Oh my god, it's close strong. It's close very, very strong. I still like this. Make a lower wick. Bro, why do you don't you take this trade? Bro, I am gonna take the trade. Just back off. Make that low wick, pussy. It's a clear break and retest. I love how the hourly's done this as well. So, stops in there. 38 pips, yeah. Piece of cake. Great, that's making the low wick first. I'm very, very happy for that. So, if we break previous 30-minute lows, then yeah, I'm probably gonna leave this. That was 83. Yeah, now use previous 30-minute stops. Yeah, like 33 pips. It's not bad at all. Flower closed. Bullish, making the low wick now. Which is great. That's what you want at the start of the candle. Lol, I've been itching for 2 hours. That candle, that 30-minute candle goes so strong. Very, very nice. So yeah, predicted this hourly now. Makes the lower wick. Breaks the high. Nice drive. Okay, that was a big one. Yeah, GJ still not doing anything. Hope this is worth the wait. Have to see, have to see. Did it close below the resistance? No, but it's the setup that it is. It's support forming. It's the hourly time frame closing bullish back again. Normally, when the hourly breaks the highs of the previous, you get a huge push. Looks very clean for the 4-hour flip. Yep. So can you see here now the story? The 4 hours closed above all this zone. A retest would be quite interesting, then a reflip and then a push. So yeah, I'm not too asked about these breaking yet. I just, I'm happy with this lower wick. As long as you don't really come back down to here, then it's okay. Golden node top wicks today. Well, we don't know yet. Say I like it like that. Where'd you hit it? 4-hour res now. 4-hour res is there, 1884. Just retesting it now. Where will your target be? I think in terms of realistic targets, 1890 is quite an easy one, but I do think more could be done in this move. Yeah, 1900 is something that I may look at. 1893 seems like a reasonable one as well. We'll see. If you ever get this fucking trade. We'll be breaking through it. With the confluence of the 4-hour closing above, the 30-minute support forming, breaking all higher time frame highs, so I'm happy with that. I hope it should make no more lower wick. Yes. I said I like it like that. I said I like it like that. We finished all the music. This is the longest stream in a while. God dang. What time did I start? 7 o'clock. 3-hour stream. Holy. So yeah, give us until like 10:30. If you haven't moved yet, then I'm just gonna leave it. Someone press the play button on Goldie, please. Just press fucking play. Nice, Louis. Oh, she's doing London. Ah, she's still in. Oh, she's in a trade. She's still holding?
Double O on this one. Too much struggle. 1950, you know.
She's still holding. Yeah, that's the only issue you got over here. So you look at the 4 hour, is just making that lower wick, so that's fine. Hourly's just making the lower wick. Gold can't go up until it's closest to the buys. My god. Qatari investors to make bid for Manchester United. Oh my god. Oh my god. If this new 1 hour candle breaks the low of the previous, consider it done. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Yeah, we'll see. Mac's gonna do the NY session on YouTube at this rate. At this rate. A 24-hour stream. Maybe. Let's play a bit of chess while I'm waiting for this fucking candle to do something. Finally, the past couple of days I haven't been able to play. They just said it's been too busy. Yeah. Goldie's coming down. Down to down. Can you fuck off? Gold gonna retrace back to the 4 hour lows. that was fucking boring, wasn't it? No Totwick Central today, eh? Cell stop activated 1883. Ooh, people are taking them cells. Max, turn on Timmy, please. Timmy. Timmy. So very close to breaking hourly lows, and then that's me done. Wow, 2 no Totwicks. That'll be in an hour candle as well. That'll be some low probability candle. That is like a Pokemon card. That is like a very, 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 very cool Pokemon card. These people are boring me now. He's not fucking doing anything. VSA 10 Charizard. That's literally what these candles are. Oh my god. Amazing. Amazing. Okay, so broken the lows. I am done with Goldie. It's royally made me very tired. So yeah, I'll finish this game and then we'll get it started. Where the fuck did you guys put that there? 4 no topic hourly candles on IC markets. Yeah, one of them's got a little nipple to be fair, but not a lot. Not a lot. Not going to the gym. Yeah, I might go to the spa today. Yeah. Shit, he's got me here. Let me just take this off. Ooh, big brain. I always seem to get myself into them fucking things. So yeah, look at Goldie now, right? Broken the lows again. My buy stop is being taken off. We're coming back down. Wow, maybe a closure back in the zone, but as I said, now it's too late on as well. No me gusta. No me gusta mucho. But yeah, I mean, good stuff. I mean, in terms of the retest, kind of annoying myself for doing that. I should just wait a little bit longer. The retest was maybe going a little bit too high, which I got this level here. 1880 would have been nice. Stop loss below. But I didn't expect that much volume to continue back down to the lows, right? Straight away after such a huge candle closure. Clean candles to the left hand side. So in terms of later on, all I got to do now is, yeah, maybe wait for a closure below if I come back at like 12 o'clock. or 11 o'clock, or a closure above 1886.56. If you get a closure above there, I've got clean candles again. And yeah, obviously I've got this zone to maybe continue back into. But yeah, as I say, I'll probably just leave this now. And GJ and EJ looking a little bit choppy for today, but maybe later on. So yeah, a little of an L this morning, but it's okay. It's all percentage risk. Wish you could have managed a bit better, but that's the issue with retests. I think I may leave retests for now, to be honest, because even back testing, we didn't really do too many of them, and because of mainly that reason. Getting in not at the right time, and sometimes taking the drawdown before finally then pushes. This one didn't even make the top wick of the hourly, which is such a low probability candle. So yeah. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for coming on. Amazing work. Can't win all of them, but in terms of percentage gain this month, still going well, still like 3%, and we will continue here. So thank you so much for coming on. Thank you, people in the Zoom. We got a simulation session later on as well. So I'll see you guys later, man. Peace out, squad. Adios, amigos. Adios, adios, adios. Adios. Adios, amigos. See you later, guys. Peace out, peace out. Adios, amigos.